Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, May 19th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWMN triple Qs. And right now, prior to the opening, as you can see, nothing really changing as the selling continues. I'm just looking at the overnight high and low right now because at this time they usually jump a little bit. Okay, just got those. So the theme for today right now is the same as yesterday until otherwise noted, and that's to look for sales. We had a triple distribution day yesterday, both us and Qs. Russell had a double distribution. We're looking to possibly gap lower with 75 minutes to go, both us and Qs. Russell's been below yesterday's low, but also hanging right now inside of yesterday's range. We said there's a tremendous amount of work that bulls have to do. I said the bulls would be happy if they got above the lower distribution to the middle. Well, right now, we're way below that for now. Pre-market volume, 1.6 million. Nothing great yet. That is the one discouraging thing so far for bears, that his volume isn't a lot more with this type of move. So we're going to look to see if that picks up or not. So the pre-market high right now is 392.79. Overnight low is 385.36. Not coincidentally, that overnight low is literally 21 cents above our yearly low. Again, very mechanical reference points and levels that they've gotten to. Game plan for this morning, like I said. Now, it depends on how large the gap is. If we do gap, yesterday's low is 390.55. If the gap's $1 or so, I'll look for shorts. If it's bigger than that, again, I'll wait for more market-generated information. Just like yesterday, we had nothing but opportunities all day to sell this market on any kind of push-up. So you don't have to jump into a trade right away. If we do gap and start pushing lower right away, I just watch it. There's certainly no call play below yesterday's low. There's nothing until the overnight low and then the yearly low right now, which is 385.15. I gave you all the other destinations below that, which again, there's only a couple of weekly lows below that. So again, the market is going to be struggling to find their destinations. Can we take out those other two weekly lows we talked about yesterday? Sure we can, especially if we hold the gap. So no long play right now. Put play against the gap, depending on how big it is. If in the next 75 minutes we open inside yesterday's range, then we see what we want to do. Then I would let it digest to see if we hold yesterday's low and what we do at the top of the lower distribution. You could definitely take a short against that the first time. I'd be out of single prints fill. Maybe try again in H's single prints. Still don't know if I would take a long against yesterday's low, though. Right now, a long play for me is still out of the picture until bulls can prove that they want to at least get this market into some kind of short-term balance. Think about it. We came into a little short-term balance late in the day yesterday when we traded sideways in IJK, L, and M. Now we'll see if they come out of this little balance and attempt to go up into these singles, or we're coming out of this balance and continuing down. Again, if you're in my room, you're getting this all day for $1 a day. And then quickly on the chart. So here we are. Now remember, as bad as yesterday was, it's still balanced. If we take out yesterday's low, but don't take out the 12th low, it's still balanced. If we take out yesterday's high, it's still balanced. So we got a large balance to play into. We come out of balance if we take out the 12th low, and then it would go down, or if we ought to rally and take out the 17th high. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.